If you're looking to get video footage like this, whether you're on the slopes, in the sky, underwater, check this out. So this is a sports camera 4K device, and I'm gonna give you a little detailed overview of how you can get these really cool action videos, and it can be done underwater up to 30 meters. Here's what's included. So you have the USB to USB-C charger for the device. This is the actual camera itself, relatively small, a couple inches, real small. Easy to use, one touch. It does pick up audio and video. Very cool. One touch, basically just hold long press, flashes, and then it will connect to an app. So you just download the app that's in the instructions, and then this can be viewed via the device. You can see what's going on the camera, and you can transfer the recorded content that's on this wirelessly into the device, which is really cool. What's also really cool is it comes with its own little micro memory stick that's a 64 gigabyte. This little thing is 64 gigabytes. And that's because it does have the option of recording in 4K. You don't have to do it in 4K, but it does have that option. You can do 1080 and a couple of other lower resolution options, but it does come with that. What this will allow you to do is you can put it in its own holder. So it has a holder that looks like this. All right, then it has a variety of attachment options that will connect to this. Those include a couple of these that come with double-sided tape. They're kind of curved, so if they want to be stuck to a helmet, sort of like skiing or something like that, you have that option. So there's a little slight curve to it, and this one is a little bit different. Then it has this piece here that will slide in. So this slides in, and then you can lock this in place, and then you can just connect it directly to this. So if you were in a skiing situation, just want to have this sitting on top of the helmet, you can do this. Comes with all the required screws and everything. Don't need any of that stuff. Also has one where it can be turned in 360. You have a variety of different, I guess this is not 360 rotation here, but it's 180. You have a clamp option, so you can unscrew these if you want to put it on a pole or a selfie stick or something. You could do it that way. You also have a clip option, which could be clipped like this, and it also has a magnetic option. So if you want to wear like a lanyard around the neck, it can affix to this via a magnetic option. Then it also has a waterproof case, because this can go down as far as 30 meters. I mean, a good bit underwater. And this, pretty simple, just goes like this. Goes in. There's a built-in waterproof button that's right here. You line it up like this, seal it in this waterproof case, and then this is how you can control the that button that I was showing earlier. Very, very cool. All self-contained, nice and neat, and then it will bolt to whatever type of device you're trying to, as far as the accessory you're trying to connect it to. Also comes with a USB and then the memory stick reader. So it's easy transfer from the memory stick to a device using USB. You just put the memory stick right in that little slot, and you connect this to the computer or whatever device you have. And there's just some additional things, clamp options, all that fun stuff. All in all, a solid, very impressive from the footage here as being shown. And the audio pickup is also very, very clear. There's also some editing options that come with the app, to where if you want to do some editing, color, and just a whole bunch of different things that come sort of like a bonus that come with the app. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, could you do an overview? Give us a real life test scenario. So these ski videos was really kind of cool, because it was about 1 degree outside. It was very, very cold, and it held up, did its recording, gave the footage, reacted very well to the bright sunlight in the shot. Overall, a solid camera. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have, but it's very cool. 4K wireless sports camera, and we'll talk to you soon.